Okay, hello everybody. We will start to do this cleaning process and how to clean our glass pipes, all right? This is really simple. It's really important for for the quality of your stuff and to have a good experience doing it. Um, and let's start. I will show you all the process that we will use today in this cleaning process, and it is alcohol. This is our solvent. We will use alcohol because it's easy to evaporate, and I also recommend this high percent of alcohol. More than 90% is really good to clean your pipes, and 99% I recommend also to clean electronic device. So this is really good. Let's start. Alcohol, some cotton swabs, and let's see. This is a little bit of salt. A little bit of salt. All right. And our glass pipes. You can see all this resin. It's all burned. All right. So burn resin. So and also green matter and sheds inside. So we will clean it so easy. I will show you how it is. All right. I also use this kind of bags. It's really simple to use. I introduce here my pipes, and I use a little bit of alcohol. You will see how much it will be. Not too much. Just the enough to cover a little bit the stuff. A little bit of salt. All right. Just I don't know, just nothing. All right, and you start to I don't know, to shake this really good for a couple minutes, and so good. This is so satisfying when you find this, like you cleaning something that is really dark and then you realize it's so clean. Fuck, this is so good. Okay. We're gonna be able to make it pause for 2 seconds. This is so easy. For real, so easy. I also use the cotton swabs to clean it better. Like maybe we will use just one, but I really like to do it and like this. Try to clean it. You will see, this is so fast. When you do this, I also recommend like do all this stuff on a good place that you can focus on it. Well, not in a close place, right? I mean, with the air around or something like that. Because anyway, you're using alcohol, right? So shit. So nice. Keep it shaking. Few minutes doing this. I also saw few people that recommend me use some kind of dust that you need to use it with hot water, but at the end of the day you can get the hot water and you don't want to burn yourself like that. This alcohol process is really good, easy to handle. Yo. see, we will see some really dirty parts of this pipe. We will clean it with the cotton swabs, so be easy to clean, you know. So we see, you can see all this stuff going. Ooh, you can see I did a mess. Doesn't matter. That's why I'm using this kind of papers. It did a mess, but that's not a problem because I was ready. Okay, I can see dirty stuff inside the pipes, so I will shake it a little bit more, and after you shaking for a while, you will get this pretty decent. Okay, this was really dirty. Okay, I will use another bag to see if we can clean a little bit more. Okay, if you can see, there is a little bit of dirty stuff on the back side of this hole. Okay, so I don't know how to clean it, you know, but I can imagine something. Let me see, maybe I can. Okay, I will use the cone swab. Maybe I have an idea. Alright, after you continue shaking a little bit, we can see how it changed. Alright, so final process, we will take this out and we will rinse with water and we will wait for a little bit to get it dry properly, and we will get our glass pipes ready. I will rinse it with water and I will back in a few seconds. Alright, let me see. Oh yes, you can see how it changed after the cleaning process. This is the result of just a little bit of the cleaning process. You see how clean it is. Perfect. Good. Follow us, subscribe, and clean your pipes.